Okay, so we're in here, week of April 22nd. Like I said, there's different folders for each kind of subject area. So you can click each folder or you can click the little arrow to open it. Either one's fine. Remember, anytime you see blue words and you hover, you bring your mouse over it, that means, and you see a hand, that means you can click it. So I will have directions for what you need to do. And sometimes there's different attachments, we call these, or different files that are attached. This one, since it's just a short week, has something a little different. Normally you're going to be reading the story from our Journeys book, like we've been doing in class. But for here we have something just a little bit different. So you're going to open this PDF that says, that's this file down here. You can press view or you can click the word itself. It's going to pull up the document. This time it's just a short story, short informational text with a few vocabulary words. You can have someone help read this to you or with you. That's totally fine. And then there's a few fill in the blanks and a question at the bottom that I want you to answer. After you read it, what you're going to do is send me your answer. So there's a couple ways to do this. You're going to go back to your Schoology here. Now it says you can send your answers by creating a submission or leaving a comment. What I really want us to do is make a submission, submit, that means send in your assignment. Comments, everyone can see. So I don't really want to do that because then everyone can see the answers. But if that's the only way you understand how to do it, that's okay. But you can post comments here if you have a question or you found something interesting that you want to share with the class. For now, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment. You're going to press Submit Assignment. This is upload. We don't really want to upload anything. That means if you have like a picture or something. What you want to do is create. You want to create your answers. Okay, so number 1, the doctor trained his dog to blank his bag. I'm going to go back, reread if I need to. I'm going to put number 1. I'm going to put the answer I think is fetch. Okay, then you're going to do number 2 and type and do what you need to do. Then you're going to press submit. Okay, and it'll send it to me. I'm going to go ahead and submit this for you, Lucas, and see. Okay, and then it says you submitted it, assignment submitted. That means you sent it to the teacher. It says your submission has been received. That means I received it. I got your assignment. And that's all you need to do. Okay, again, you can, anytime you need to go back, you can go back to 3rd grade AM. If you want to go back to just this week's, press week of April 22nd. Okay, then there's word work. You can press word work and see what you need to do for word work. Again, here are the directions. There's always files and things that you might need to open down here. Again, you can just press view and it'll open up, or you can press the words. Okay, this time it's our word work. So remember the words that we used to cut out and sort? Here, if you click, you'll see the words. You don't need to print them and cut them out. If you'd like to, be my guest, but you don't have to. Okay, if things come up too big, you can zoom out. Okay, now also what I want you to do for the word work, I recorded myself explaining to you what's going on. So that's what this audio recording is. Audio means hearing. So if you click this, you can listen to me explain the rules for these words, what we're kind of how we're sorting them and what we're learning from them. I also read all the words to you. Okay, so then there's some activities for you to do. Again, the directions are here. And I tell you how to kind of show me that you did this. This is what your response might look like right here. Again, I want you to try to go to Submit Assignment. Remember, create and do your typing here and press Submit. If you have a question, type that in the comment box here so that everyone can see it. Okay, I'm going to go back to this week's. Here's math. Let's see what you have to do for math. This one, you'll see, when you click it, it says play Target 100 online by clicking here. So this is just like the game we've played before in school, but you can play it online. If you'd rather play it at home with a family member using a real deck of cards, that's fine too. Or you can click here. Again, it'll take you right to the website, and you can play the game. You open up the directions. Okay, you drag your cards, all of that stuff. There's a page for your partners or your opponents. Recording sheet here too as well. Okay, you don't have to submit anything here. It says submit assignment. You don't have to do anything here. I just want you to know, I just want you to play this game. Okay? And then we're going to go back. Here's science. This one's kind of fun. There's a soccer science. What I want you to do here is watch this episode of Curious Crew. It's kind of like a Bill Nye video. It's 26 minutes long. Again, anytime you see blue words, you can click them. So this will open up a quick 25-minute video for you to watch. Okay. It'll play. I'm not going to play it right now, but it'll play. And then there's a file here that, again, you can view that asks you to kind of do an experiment based on the video you saw. It gives you all the directions. You don't need much. You just need a ball, and you need to get outside. Okay. And then for this one, I just wrote, leave a comment if you watch the video or practice your skills. Let us know what you thought. So again, this is for everyone to see. This isn't a right or wrong answer. This is just something that I want you to do, and let us know your thoughts about it. Okay, and that's all for this week. The following week, remember, go back to 3rd grade AM. The following week, you'll be able to see this folder. You'll see all these subject areas again, and I'll have new activities for you in them. Okay. Hopefully that helps. One quick other thing I want to point out is this conferences button down here, on the left, I should say. This is how we can do video conferencing. We're not allowed to use Zoom anymore. If it says you need to approve it, you can press approve. It's nothing crazy. Okay. We're going to do a practice call. This is a video call on April 20th at 2 p.m. It will say, once I log in as the teacher, it will say join, and you'll be able to press that join button, and then hopefully you'll be able to see everyone just like we did on Zoom. So we'll try that out, and then if that works, hopefully we can do that more often, and I can kind of teach you some things that way as well. Okay. Again, anytime you want to go back, you can press materials or press this 3rd grade AM. I think that's all for now. If I think of anything else, I will send another video. Lucas, thank you for letting us use your login. And if you have any questions, please reach out and ask.